Okay, so we have an event out there, and that therein lies the "this will happen" scenario. Okay, I'm going to lay out an event for you and talk to you about its impact on crypto, something you need to be aware of. This is an overriding narrative and theme, and something I've been talking about for a while and have layered into quite a few videos. This is important to you. This impacts you in any crypto that you are in, Bitcoin all the way to Shiba Inu or anything. This pretty much will have an impact on you, and that event I'm going to tell you about here in just a minute. Stick around to the end. I got a really cool thing to tell you about at the end of the video as well. Okay, so what is going on? All right, let's look at this. Okay, so we've got an event out there, and that is the FOMC, the Federal Open Market Committee, otherwise how I think of them as the Fed. The Fed is set to meet on November 2nd. Okay, on November 2nd, you're going to see right here is the next Federal Reserve meeting. This is the meeting to where they're going to reveal how much they're going to raise or not the interest rate, the base interest rate, having to do with their efforts to reduce and bring down inflation, which is north of 8+%. They want to bring it down to below 4%, things of that nature. Okay, so this is an event that is out there. It is coming. This is relevant to you. Okay, so again, remember, it is inflation that has decimated crypto and the stock market this year, dropping crypto from north of a 2 trillion down to a $1 trillion dollar market cap. We just got back up over 1 trillion, which is actually good news. But the "this will happen" part of this video is that no, we know this event's happening. We know that November 2nd, they're going to reveal the number. Here's what I think is going to happen. We are basically 98% expecting a 75 basis points raise, which would make this the fifth 75. I can't remember the exact number, but anyway, the long and short of it is it's going to be enough. It's going to be a lot. But the 75 basis point raise is what I'm trying to get at. This is a number that we're all expecting. Okay, so I think that on November 2nd, we're going to get something from kind of like what I'm calling a knee-jerk reaction, where the crypto market's going to go down, and then I think it's going to come back up. I think the stocks are going to do something similar, unless we get some negative notes related to the speech that they give associated with delivering this base interest rate hike. Okay, so if there's really, really, really bearish comments related to when they actually divulge what they're going to raise it to, that could have a more decimating effect. But I think that regardless of 75 basis points, I think we will move down a little bit, and then we'll come back, and then we should be good from there for a week or two until we get the next CPI report, we get the labor report, we get the jobs report, and things like that. Also know this: we have also December 13th and 14th. We have right here that's highlighted. We have on December 13th and 14th, we have another Federal Reserve meeting. Okay, most likely going to raise it 50 basis points, depends on the CPI, the consumer price index report we get in November, and it depends on the jobs report that we get in November. Okay, so those are the two key metrics that I'm looking at. There's other reports, there's other things, but those are the big moving parts that I'm going to be keeping an eye on for you. Okay, so with that said, thank you for your time. And I forgot to tell you, I'm going to tell you, check out links in the description to Clear Cryptos. This is a project that I've been involved with now for 8 months. It's been in development for 2 years. There's a link down in the description below to Clear Cryptos. If you go to company right here, you click on Board of Advisors. I want you to take a look at this. Have you ever seen a crypto project that has a board of advisors that encompasses a former United States ambassador to Denmark, Mr. Kane, that has a Lieutenant General Edward Carden, who is a U.S. Army retired Lieutenant General? Okay. A couple of other really key guys, Mr. Hodgson, Mr. Price, check out their bios. Mr. Pajadas, who's a director of a major U.S. bank. Yep. Mr. Smith, principal and director, Cornerstone. Dan Solomon, who is president of Olympia, the world's most prestigious fitness themed event. Oh, and by the way, Mr. Swecker, who is an FBI assistant director, retired. Have you ever seen a crypto project? This is a serious crypto project that is launched with utility. They launched with their own swap. They've got an analytic and trading platform that is absolutely going to blow you away when it launches in the very, very near future. It's been in development for 2+ years. Links in the description below. Check them out. Run them through your own due diligence. That's what I got for you. Thanks for your time. Have a good one. I'll see you.